Hello, and welcome to the Travel Future channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around my wardrobe and I'm actually going to be kind of organising it, moving it around. Yeah, something different for a change. Look at that, it's quite small. It's really small, and it's a really bad design as well, because like you have this thing here and that kind of blocks it. So yeah, but these are kind of just, I kind of have any jackets there. So it's like this jumper. This is actually from my sister's boyfriend. Thank you for that. And then it's just like kind of like sport jackets kind of thing, curl over jumpers, sports again. This is my favourite. I did wear this in one of my videos. Yeah, cardigans, which you like definitely 100% need in like Brighton weather, like at the coast. So that's that kind of thing. And then up here is kind of like just tracksuit bottoms, like those. I wore them on my Instagram pictures. And it goes back as well. And up here are just like my short sleeve t-shirts. Some of my favourite. And some up there as well. And then over here is more tracksuit bottoms. You can never go wrong with tracksuit bottoms. Just some Nike ones, stuff like that. And then some like kind of like loungewear stuff. To be fair, most of the ones I wear are out. So then down here I've got two jeans, two like sections of jeans, if you could see. Sorry, I just realised you literally could not see that from that previous shot. But yeah, just jeans, tracksuit bottom up here, loungewear at the back. Yeah, it's a bit nice. There's one pair of shoes there for some reason. Don't know why they're in there, but anyway. And then round here are the rest of my shoes. And then round here are all my jackets and like shirts and all of that, and all my rest of my clothes. Might add some more. And so basically I went home for the weekend. Oh no, sorry, the week, because I had a reading week, so I was home for 9 days. And I very luckily took all my washing home, and yeah. So thanks mum and dad. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you some of my clothes, my lovely clothes. These are, I think, Boohoo tracksuit bottoms. They are honestly like, see me in these like 24/7. These are so comfy. But yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of like show you some of my washing, and I don't really know where to put these. Oh, gosh. Oh, actually, I got this. This is brand new, and it smells so nice. It's like weird smelling, but from Forever 21, and oh, I don't really wear like polo shirts, but this one just stood out to me, and I like the sleeves have a different colour, and how it's, you know, like quite formal kind of thing, and it's like you can kind of wear this to anything really. But yeah, love it. I'm not sure whether to fold it or not. Let's fold it back up and put it up here. See, that's like the stress. Like it's a small stress, but because of how the wardrobe's designed, I don't know whether to hang things or fold things. So really, because like, not to like brag, but my wardrobe at my house is quite big, so most of this I wouldn't hang up. Like most of this, I don't know, it's weird, like some of it I would hang up, but some of it I wouldn't. I would have, because I have so many shelves and so many, I'm kind of forced to hang most of it up. So I would have some mixture of like hung up and some folded. Oh, these are my favourite, one of my favourite jeans for weekday. They're like mum jeans, or they are mum jeans, sorry. Really comfy. And I actually wore these the other day. Don't know where to put these actually. With the rest of my jeans. Oh, and this as well. Oh, I don't know why I keep smelling my clothes, sorry, just the washing powder just gives me life. This is just an over the top jumper from H&M, love it. I love the colour as well. It kind of, it's hard to put a pair of trousers with it, or like what colour trousers to wear. So that's always a difficulty, but yeah, I probably should fold this up, hang it up. Okay. See, like I would not hang this up in my house. I feel like put it there. Yeah, I feel like I'm settling into university quite well. Like some days are a lot harder than others, and some days, you know, a lot easier. But I feel like I'm definitely settling in. Like it's definitely becoming like a routine of like when I eat and when I travel and when I film and when I do my university work. Oh, a few more tracksuit bottoms. You can honestly never go wrong with a tracksuit, whether it's you get the whole thing or just the jacket or just the trousers, especially like designer, like Puma, Adidas, Nike, Umbro, you know, stuff like that, is the best. Okay, I think I bought too many tracksuit bottoms. And also shout out to my store, George Clothing. These are, again, like if you want comfy tracksuit bottom, go to George at ASOS. Honestly, go to George at ASOS. They're so comfy. I got these. I got blue ones. I got the black one you just saw with the stripe, the grey stripe. And I think so these were like £12-ish, but you can get a deal where it's like 2 for 10 on certain ones, like, and they're black and blue, just and like a simple colour. So it's definitely worth a purchase. Oh, these are the loungewear trousers I was thinking about. Sorry, these are from Primark, and I think it was a pack for like £10, £12. Yeah, these are my life. On the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, even probably Monday to Friday, you will see me wearing these as well. Definitely, if my university flatmates know me, they know that I wear these a lot as well. These Umbro tracksuit bottoms, they're just so convenient, just like throw on, you know, if you're going around the flat. Lovely. Okay, why can't I not bold? The rest of it is just my boxes, really. Nothing, you know, exciting about that. Okay, what an actual mess. Can we just like look at this? You're probably screaming at your screen like, no, don't put it like that. I don't really know. I could fit more in there, to be fair. Isn't that such a mess? Can you even see? Isn't that such a mess? I literally have no idea. But you kind of have to put trousers there. That's kind of what it's for. You could put shoes, but it's such a bad design, honestly. Yeah, so this is like the finishing result. A hot mess, but we got there in the end. And still, if I want to buy more stuff, I can fit it there. Of course, on that rail, well, to be fair, if I just squash it a bit, I won't squash. It's expensive, but there's some room. So I've got some more clothes here. Oops. Oregon t-shirt, a pea coat, lovely pea coat, and then these are my like coats and jackets. Some of my favourite coats. This from Paris I wore. Okay, so let's organise this, right? You're probably thinking I didn't even organise my wardrobe, but I kind of did. It's neat. These are my spare hangers. I'm not sure what for. Maybe those t-shirts. thanks guys for watching. Just thought I'd show you some of like my clothes and kind of just, you know, a little video because I haven't posted for a bit, and just unpacking because I do like filming and I do like fashion, and I thought I'd show you into like kind of some of my interests in fashion and kind of like my style. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and all the rest. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.